Have you ever opened your Hobonichi A5 cousin and thought, I love this layout, but where do I track all the habits I'm working on? If you've tried squeezing them into that tiny monthly grid or have just forgotten about them completely, today's video is going to solve that. I'm going to show you exactly how you can add a printable habit tracker to your Hobonichi cousin, one that fits your goals, your self-care routines, and your daily life. Stick around till the end as I'll show you where to get a habit tracker printable just for your Hobonichi cousin. Let's go. I remember the first time I started using the Hobonichi cousin. I love the layout, the daily pages, the time blocks, that smooth Tomo River paper, but I quickly realized, where do I track anything? Those monthly grid at the front, it's nice, but I was trying to build quite a few different habits at once. Meditate daily, track our expenses, get outside, my evening routines. There really wasn't ample space to track those routines on a monthly basis. I tried adding habit tracker into the weekly spread, but I wanted to be able to see a full bird's eye view of my progress for a whole month. The great thing with the Hobonichi cousin is that it has a blank page at the beginning of each month. Now, of course, you can embellish this as a nice monthly cover page, but it's also a perfect place to add a habit tracker printable. That's when I took my popular habit tracker printable and customized the size perfect for the Hobonichi A5. Now this habit tracker printable, I do have it for personal size, A5, Happy Planner Classic, as well as letter size for binder lovers. So when I tried the Hobonichi planners for the first time back in 2024, I just had to make a habit tracker for it as well. Now here's how it works. You download the tracker from my shop, print it on A4 size paper, trim it, and washi tape or glue it into that blank page at the start of each month. And voila, you've got a full monthly habit tracker that can fit up to 21 habits and routines that you want to track. It's going to be motivating and it fits right inside your Hobonichi planner. It blends seamlessly and becomes part of your planning flow. Let's talk about what this really gives you. 1, clarity. You know exactly what you're tracking. 2, it's going to help motivate you. Seeing those check marks every day, it's going to help build that momentum. 3, accountability. Even if no one sees your tracker, you see it and it keeps you focused. It's going to give you self-awareness. You begin to notice patterns. Which days do you skip? Which habits feel harder? And where does your energy really go? And finally, it's going to give you joy because let's not ignore the fun part. You get to color code it, make it aesthetic, and it's your planner, so have fun with it. You can refer to it throughout the day, see what needs to get done, and mark off what's been completed. That little win, it's going to help build momentum. And you can also use one of the ribbons to bookmark the page so you can easily access your habit tracker. Now here's a bonus tip. You don't have to track everything every month. I recommend choosing 5 to 7 key habits per month that truly support the season you're in. Now, just because the tracker has a lot of rows that you can add habits and routines to doesn't mean it needs to get filled in. Less pressure, more focus, and way more results. You can even rotate your habits monthly to keep it fresh and aligned with whatever your goal is for the month. Now, if you're new here, I've helped thousands of planner lovers bring more purpose and intention into their daily planning through habit tracking, routines, and well-being. My goal is to help you stay consistent, not perfect, and make your planner work for you. So it doesn't matter what planner you have, the size or the brand, it's about making sure that the planning system you have fits within how your brain works and your lifestyle. So if you're loving this kind of content, hit that like button and subscribe. It tells me this is helpful and helps more people find it too. You can grab this printable habit tracker for your Hobonichi cousin using the shopping button or check the link in the description below. And if you use a different planner, no worries. I've linked all my other printable tracker sizes too. Everything is instant download. You can print it today and start fresh this month. Want to see more Hobonichi A5 layout? Check out this video right here on how I set up my weekly spread. Thanks for spending some time with me today. And remember, it's not about doing it all perfectly. It's about showing up for yourself a little more each day. You've got this.